Okay, here we are in Photoshop. First, we need an image for that. Go to the file, place embedded. Choose the image, click on the place. Here we are. Scale it and adjust it. Double click to rename it. I am calling it BG image. You can call it whatever you want. Now make a selection of the trolley. For that, I am going to choose this quick selection tool. You can choose any tool that you like. Make selection of this trolley. I am speeding up this to save your time. After making a selection, press Ctrl+J to make a copy of this trolley layer, like this. Double click on this trolley layer and rename it. I am calling it Trolley 1. You can call it whatever you want. Select BG image. Now make a selection of this second trolley. For that, I am going to choose this quick selection tool. You can choose any tool that you like. Make selection of this trolley. I am speeding up this to save your time. After making a selection, press Ctrl+J to make a copy of this trolley layer, like this. Double click on this trolley layer and rename it. I am calling it Trolley 2. You can call it whatever you want. Now select this Trolley 1 layer by holding Ctrl+ right click this thumbnail to make a selection, like this. Go to the select modify expand it around 7 pixels, and hit OK. It will create a selection like this. Select the BG image, right click on it and rasterize layer. And hide the Trolley 1 image. Now press Shift plus backspace to open the content aware, make the settings like this, and hit OK. It will remove the object from your image like this. Now here is some issue in the image. To fix this, go to the patch tool, make a selection of this damaged area and simply move it, and here we are done. Now select this Trolley 2 layer, hold Ctrl+ right click this thumbnail to make a selection. Go to the select modify expand it around 7 pixels, and hit OK. I will create a selection like this and hide the Trolley 2 image. Select the BG image. Now press Shift plus backspace to open the content aware, make the settings like this, and hit OK. It will remove the object from your image like this. Now here is some issue in the image. To fix this, go to the clone stamp tool, hold Alt and make a sample form here and copy this damaged area like this. And here we are done. Now select the background image, unlock it, and delete it. Because we don't need this anymore. Cool. Select the trolley image and arrange it like this. Now select the Trolley 1 image, right click on it, and convert it to a smart object. Now select the Trolley 2 image, right click on it, and convert it to a smart object. Cool. Go to the window, timeline. Now click on this icon to cover these frames into the video timelines like this. Now select the Trolley 1 image and right click on it. Now click on this transform stopwatch icon and create a keyframe. Go to the 6 frame forwards, select the image scaled 1 the size of that and drag it where you want. Click on the check icon and see that your keyframe will be created, like this. Now select the Trolley 2 image and right click on it. Now click on this transform stopwatch icon and create a keyframe. Go to the 6 frame forwards. Select the image, scale the size, and drag it where you want. Click on the check icon and see that your keyframe will be created, like this. Minimize all layers. Perfect. Check the animation. Cool. Add some snow particles to this image. Go to the file, place embedded. Select the snow video. Here is the trick, go to the all formats section and choose this video setting and place. First, scale it and fill this entire image. Select the snow video and put it on top of all the layers. Double-click on it and rename it Snow Video, then drag this time indicator to the end of the video, go to the scissors icon and click on it. It will cut your layer perfectly. Delete this extra video and change this blending mode to normal to screen, like this. Now click on this new adjustment icon and choose Curves, double-click on this and rename it. I am calling it Color Correction, you can call it whatever you want. Now adjust this curve setting like this, for achieving this cinematic look. The animation. You can adjust these keyframes at any time if the animation is slow or fast. Like this. Now check the animation. Perfect. Here we are, done. And animate to still image in Photoshop.